say na when a friend will be on a letter about the baby align and a friend say who most to come them namu pe baby and showing na mom never our frantorin chain no be ma home to no den ho abebatan ho.
We look at our backgrounds, people who have always been keen on seeing a big transformation in this country and looking for innovative, progressive ways of doing it to take us to the next level. If you see from his point of view, I don't want to speak for him, but this is somebody who had been in a political party for a long time. And maybe that development and freedom mantra that he saw as attracting and attractive to him ceased to be so when that freedom in election of who they wanted was emasculated. And I'm sure he must have been trying to resolve this internally for a long time, but this was the last straw.
Right.
So if we cannot even live according to our freedom within our party, then why we seek for that outside, and be able to do the things that I think we can do with that kind of intention and vision. And we also had been in other activities, but we found that there's the same old thing. Spent almost 5 years, 6 years talking about this. That the reason we moved out of the partisan political fray into the non-partisan political fray was because we felt that the partisan fray itself was a large part of the problem. It had become a beast which was consuming the very thing it wanted to deliver. And that we needed to be able to think, in a more open, a more transparent, and freer way to be able to really address the key issues that were. He approached me from the point of view of his Great Transformation Plan for the purposes of formulating a Great Transformation Plan. So I thought to myself, this is strange. This person is not even in government, and they're thinking of what to do. So this must be very important. So I was impressed by the fact that an aspiring candidate had started thinking of what he would do.
Wawura busakala nunu o eni yawu woni ni tuapemu ma wura la kwaje tramate eni enkwada ni si enim no ni wetwa mu pa tete wa madros bi ne frɛ no sentimakie enya sanketo ansunya nsade ebi woni timto mu mienu wo mo bebo apa na Graduate Student Association of Ghana Krasakefo and Omokasei Sabane Duomoka MPP Abanson Hoka Chekromfo Chezeke Tunintia Womosren another Danko Kufado say Womo research adawanse yes Chiadema Wonum Babu Soj Menina Katiavatan Oma Juma Neswa Kaya Chema Zilanado and Chiakana Momodia and your tumetum Woman and our trepe Why church and change be on Beno Menuno Womunya Babina Wama Grabbing so the scholarship secretary, Tom so Mokrani, Washi, Sansa, Wamso Kamu, and Womushemu, Wama Yamuma said, Talk, and Womu Yasani Mano, Nebra, and Mlana, one way to tell you, won't say a bear yet, any woman funny Sompa.
It is not a crime to be a youth of this country. Some of these leaders have enjoyed several scholarships, and some of them are still in government, paid you some money, and they still want to enjoy scholarships. The current expose is one of the many things they have been doing to us, and the youth of this country are rising up to ask and demand for our right. Thank you.
The money that government will give us is not that money can actually solve our research questions, because as researchers we are doing the hardcore thing. The fact that government is not using our research to reform our country doesn't mean that with the research that we are doing is not good. We just want them to give us the little they can to show that they actually really care about us. Giving priority to primary and SS students who will come and meet us as lecturers or meet the elderly and you're not even paying any respect or attention to us. What do you think we will inculcate into the younger ones? Give us our what is due us or we move to the streets. 3 o'clock. Someone is calling me 3 o'clock. I'm a student too. I have research to do. And that's why students they don't want to leave this country. Because to leave this country, I want to leave because I feel like nobody cares about me. Nobody cares about what is going on wrong with me. Students are leaving. And the people who are suffering. And the people that are taking scholarships out of this country. What is it telling us?
We are suffering.
We shouldn't even be here. Because they that are in power ruling over us. They are leaving this country.
We are saying entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs who don't have entrepreneur idea, do that ideas. We do research. We give us money.
We are saying that schools in Europe is not better than schools in Ghana. We are saying that USA is not better than Ghana.
It is not a crime to be a youth of this country. Some of these leaders have
been money abrepa hwem ayiwane wom no ye wege hyehyɛ ɛne brofo aye ka no dia perform ye ne amle na yo muti gu abonte a wan ra papa nsi arewo sem free bunu mantem no mu eba krobi e ben dom akwamu wo mu kire mu se obi ye papa bi se wo dwai akwakoto ma ho mu wo kwakoyi no wono so akwakohia ne kofiri kwa mu wo na wo ni bi wo ho a tumi so fia ba ifo kwan ye befa so ye beku no oji asia enye yi wo bra na ye ne enua ba ma Samuel ejei etwetwe nkomo ene oboyi mu de kofa wo woyi ebai
na no brother your wana was here to police commander the press so we get to run to na mo ade ni chiko was here Sompa only para for the ma for ya dey give ma wo so ko na pa na ni bale sabra no so the what na you ba so so na you ba so no so question is na wa ye o na media na no enjo ato ana se enjo ala papa na ko na enjo mra fa the moment ni yo ya ma wo fa da ko ni ma de president bi afọ nti about here so ya ho a ọba to a awodi ni pa di go ya sa so di anko ko bi juma na ebe o ko bi oro na onye nje se amra bi da wa aburu a o to so ti ri bo juma no anko di ba ko so o we so wo de ajma ko so mi ti mo ya pa na ba o na wuro ba aye le ko so ko je wo di anko di bi o so aburu mo o mo ko ko mo na yi no ara o na o so ko wuro so yi le bra ba so ama do na ko fe na ha pa ko so so wo so ebe ko ya fo ko mo na yi ni pa ba so no so wo ga amanu mo fa ya abagbe so ti abi bi ase aro so o wura no o wuro no so so ase oro na asafo buru bi ko bu so ase oro e mra ndi ye break fast na ti bi ba so abi ye e ke mu se abode na e be ga la fa mo bi se e bi ko ti won bro e fa ba ma na ma ti ne o da so be ndi na na mo so bo ai wo do ma ko ma se e bo se o me twa ma no kwa so be ya bu bo so e bo se ke se ye nya ni ko bo ni fa mi ensa ama mo bi e ti am ko ko se mo se be se me ke de gra ko se mo se e di ya o nya ma no so o mo so ko ti di o de ye da ma police so e fa mo o mo nya o ni mo na mo do so e bo so mo ni o mo ni ya so be si bia no so ma fa ya fo o mo de ma na de ya report
kwa akoyi aponche akohu akohwe empusu onti kwabrane wa nyame de amabo aponche ne so dam nanim Ghana de yeso ye woman o ye woman ye nyame bo ye pa o ye ne ebu nipa no binom ebusua be na duasani na nanano muzrimifo wo mo som enema ya idi akote be ka se wo mo pillars se wo be kire kom na waye Ramadan wo be kom Maka na fe waye zakat eno so ka ho papa be sori aba mpaye wo be yezo wo be faje wo be asel ni nyina ka ho bi nyame ya dom mo nyankropo Allah wadi wono machi em wode akomche kronkron ni nyina aba na wiye eno na santimam temu chief imam wotu amanyofo se wo sre ye ba beto abai momu me piepia muzremi fo meburu enfo mo koye tutrasem no mu wia wo mo de aba beji di mbone ade ama Islam som no na Islam som no ye som ye asumdwe wono so be yo mo de betimi bia so man ni benya asumdwe to osra amanyofo kra ode asemi tudwa wo bra na ode akomchini nyina dan so eba ewieye eye Sheikh Harun wono nanu disemuni
na wo fa sa ni na o try to see na no we see one no way is ana jedia na ya so family ade kwa kwa mu hano asubia eguso ya bo da wo ya frede ama ya so tifa e wo mo se mo tie e ya kwa ko ye ne sabagri and chero abatu ko baba ko ena mo kasemi na baba na o se mo se wo ma e ko do extraction do ko na me ko ya you say no violence is needed, trust is needed, yes or no. That's it. Yes, I am. We'll go for you. Was before they after they don't just make trouble. So so far, we're out to trouble.
Kasian West 21st Clinic Abusia for ya can farm one pay Utwa Sinti Chichojo 1 year. BIB Ben Wono Borem Nako wa Yaris share 3 eco capsules. Coco Pumauto Frokaya now near Metivor Air Bracha Dia Mutimti Ukotanaswa now be Chile Unumbi Anye Free Val Super no Prapra to Mizu any 5G and 1 day and Yema baby Abisha Dr. Silas Bia now waji would dear one and so ye chirimu sense ye chiriban or pay the Casibui Ebrem was Santiago Benedict one is a move for penny a so penny obefian swa where you bush a penny with ya Akosha Sumo Elizabeth Tona and Hire Netre Fidenechi Emma Kevin and Yazuka and your probi or Kikashim Botaki Nany Yazuka Nany Wakikashim Nany and Nay Nakasi and ye BBN Wakabe one also come when see at ho ya wo boy Juma powerful fide why ni ama kwancha as well of mami premeni asante my mami divo bapa mesa still ajia me kupa me ba ne konton kro solo akenka akase na mautum ze ye upa na so adwuma ne de ye be ye kama yem point ye ne ewura o man ye wadu ba che be transi we eye sala edition adiache bia bia sheleme tu shele kura magani nduka yaran sarandaiki enne wo yo etimon twaye ye be sia
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo